In this video we're going to build ArcoLinuxB Xtended. I've put it in here in the guise of the minimal. It's not really a minimal, but in a sense it is a minimal. So it doesn't carry the name minimal, but the idea was to have an open box and 6 tiling window managers. And you'll see in the size that it's actually quite a minimal ISO. So this is to promote all our tiling window managers that are up here. So all 6 of them and plus open box are in here. So how do you build this? If you don't want to download it or you want to change it, because it's the power of ArcoLinuxB, you build it, you change it, you get what you want on your ISO. It's going to be a personalized ISO. We copy paste that link and we go to our desktop, open a new window. On the desktop I'm going to work and I'm going to say open a terminal here, Ctrl+Shift+V. I'm going to copy paste this over. This means you got all the means to build an ISO. This is it. Installation scripts, either run number 30 or number 40. 30 is the first time you run it, right? It cleans out all the packages in your in your var directory. And 40 is maybe if you say, I'm gonna retry because I've added Firefox or I deleted this and added that. So you can do that, you can add stuff to it, and it's all in the ArchISO folder in this file. This file contains the Lego blocks. What Lego blocks do you require? What do you want on your system? It concerns software, but also concerns drivers. So if you know what driver you need on your specific system, then you just build it yourself. You add a package and say, okay, I want this and that and that. That's it. Save. And then you build just like we did here. All right? And with 40, you're just gonna spare some bandwidth. 40 just says, hey, if it's already downloaded on your hardware, on your machine, then we'll reuse the packages. This is not gonna clean out the cache. This is a re-download of every package. This is going to see, is there something new? He'll get it and that's it. But the old versions will be used. So it's faster to build afterwards. All right, waiting for the ISO to pop out and then we'll continue. And it's finished. It is a ISO of 1.6 gig, which is okay. And this is just a version number, meaning it's December. And we are at version 15. It's just a timestamp, nothing more. So if we have 2012, it means that we're 2020 in December. And it still will work, the script. So don't care about that. Don't mind about that. So we have our ISO and we can try it out. You'll have open box and 6 tiling window managers. All right, enjoy.